Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of trading? My name is Trevor, and we are here to guide you through all the intricacies of trading on the market like never before. Before we begin, I would like to invite you to our community where someone's dream becomes true every day. We choose which strategy to use ourselves as we have plenty of them. It took many years to develop them so that we would now achieve these and those indicators. And now we give our students who are tired of working 10 hours a day and want financial growth the opportunity to use them. Now we will show you how we work, but first follow the link in the pinned comment and join the community. It's free, as is our personal support and training. We have a rebound of the lower edge of the Donchian channel and very good support for the price. Now breaking the alligator lines. We enter a call option. Perfect. The rebound worked and the price rose strongly. Well, the price failed to stay above the alligator lines and we expect a continued decline. The ADX line is ready to cross and we enter a put option. Impeccable. The decline began right after the signal. We have here the 1.89551 level is strong resistance coinciding with the upper edge of the Donchian channel. The ADX oscillator is also pointing down and we have entered a short option. Excellent. Resistance was expected and the price fell. What do you think? Are you ready to move forward with confidence? In our community, we show you how to master trading without unnecessary complications and fuss. All you need to do is follow clear steps and apply the knowledge you gain in practice. It's like building a strong foundation for a house. Every step is important, and in the end, you get a result you can build on. What awaits you inside? We host daily live streams where we share our trading decisions in real time and explain how to act in different situations. You will receive clear step-by-step instructions that will help you move forward with confidence. And importantly, we are always there to support you along the way. If you're ready to get started, follow the link in the pinned comment and join our community. The green line of the alligator acts as a good support and we expect an upward rebound. ADX confirms an uptrend and we enter the call option. Winner! The price went up and we closed in some good profits. The price broke through strong resistance in the 1.2630 to the 1.2635 zone and the trend remains bullish. We have entered a long option. Incredible. Breakout confirmed and the price continues to rise. Okay, the price is approaching a resistance zone. Those with me look to the left and we expect a bearish reaction. We enter the sell option. Excellent trades and we confirmed some good amount of profits. Thank you for being with me. Closed. Great work, friends, and that's exactly how we conduct our live sessions with the added bonus of our students following our steps. We have created a system that eliminates unnecessary complications and provides clear, understandable steps. Our community has access to proven strategies, so don't waste any time. Follow the link in the pinned comment, join our community, and start moving toward new opportunities with confidence. Thanks for watching. See you inside, and bye for now.